Hello everyone, it is Miss Janet and I am here for Read and Cook with WSPL. So I'm going to read a book and hopefully it will inspire you to cook with your child. To cook something for dinner maybe. Maybe this one will inspire you. Today we're going to read Pizza, and this book is written by Frank Asch and it is published by Simon and Schuster. So pizza, maybe this will inspire you to hopefully cook some kind of a pizza dish, and then you can enjoy that together with your family. But if you make it with your child, that is the fun part, to cook with your child. Anyway, let's read Pizza and see what happens in this story. It says, one evening, Papa Bear said, "Let's all go out for dinner." "Where shall we go?" asked Mama Bear. "There's a new pizza parlor in town," replied Papa Bear. "Let's eat there." "Pizza? What's pizza?" asked Baby Bear. Someone who hasn't had pizza before. "You've never had pizza before," said Papa Bear. "You're in for a treat." "But what if I don't like pizza?" asked Baby Bear. "Do I have to eat it anyway?" "Don't worry, dear," said Mama Bear. "You'll like pizza." Baby Bear thought the pizza parlor smelled nice, so here they are. Pizza. They're going to go in and sit down. The Bear family sat down at a small round table and ordered a large cheese pizza. Who likes cheese pizza? Yum, yum. While they waited for their pizza to arrive, Baby Bear drew on the paper placemat with crayons. I bet you get to do that sometimes too. And look at the awesome picture that Baby Bear made. Wow, he used lots of different colors. Finally, a waiter brought the pizza to the table. "Nice and hot," he said. Then Papa Bear cut Baby Bear a slice of pizza. "Let it cool for a while," said Mama Bear as she blew on Baby Bear's slice. "If you don't, you might burn your mouth." Oh, we don't want that to happen, do we? That's not good. When his slice of pizza was cool enough, Baby Bear took a big bite. He had never tasted anything so yummy. Oh my goodness. He's enjoying that treat. It was so yummy, Baby Bear felt like he was floating on a cloud. "Well," asked Mama Bear, "do you like pizza?" "Like it," cried Baby Bear. "I love it." Who loves pizza? On the way home, Baby Bear couldn't stop thinking about pizza. He thought the moon looked like a big yellow pizza. The wheels on all the cars he saw looked like pizzas. Even the manhole covers reminded him of pizza. That night, as he lay fast asleep in his bed, Baby Bear dreamed that a giant pizza-shaped spaceship landed in his backyard. In his dream, he went outside to investigate. When the spaceship hatch opened, out marched 3 alien chefs. One was from the planet Crouton. "Try my macaroni and cheese pizza," he said. "No, no," said a chef from the asparagus galaxy. "Try my peanut butter and jelly pizza." Oh my goodness, very creative. "Forget about their pizzas," said a third chef from a planet beyond the lobster nebula. "Try my chocolate chip pizza." Just then Papa Bear called, "Wake up, Baby Bear, it's breakfast time." Baby Bear jumped out of bed, got dressed, and ran downstairs. "Good morning, Baby Bear," said Mama Bear. "Would you like some eggs for breakfast?" No thanks," said Baby Bear. "How about some nice hot oatmeal?" asked Papa Bear. Not this morning," answered Baby Bear. "Fruit cup? Cornflakes?" asked Mama Bear. "Sorry, not interested," said Baby Bear. "French toast? Pancakes? Waffles?" asked Mama and Papa Bear. No, said Baby Bear. "Then what do you want?" asked Mama and Papa Bear. "Silly Mama, silly Papa," cried Baby Bear. "Don't you know I want pizza?" Oh my goodness. Pizza for breakfast, pizza for lunch, pizza for dinner. Oh my. Well, I hope that has inspired you to make some pizza, and I'm going to make sure you get a favorite recipe of mine for deep dish vegetable pizza. So maybe you will try that and enjoy that too. Anyway, I hope this inspires you to cook something together with your child and adult. So have a great day, and I will be back soon. Bye for now.